Angular Stories series. In this episode, you will create an Angular app and learn the global architecture of an Angular application. By the end of this video, an Angular app structure will have no secrets from you. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through three main steps: creating an Angular application, running the app, and the most exciting step, discovering the app. In order to create an Angular application, we will be using the powerful tool Angular CLI, the command line interface. So make sure you have it installed first. Run the command ng-new followed by the name of your project. There is also another option if you want to make sure you are using the latest Angular CLI version. Use this command. The command installs the necessary npm packages and other dependencies that Angular requires. This can take a few moments, so be patient. Now, step 2, running the app. The command has already created a workspace for you and started your project files. You have already an application that is ready to run. Angular CLI got a server where you can build and run your app locally. All you need to do is to navigate to your apps folder and run the CLI command ng-serve. The serve is a command that will launch the server. You can see your app opened automatically on the browser thanks to the open option we added to the command. Et voila! This is the most exciting part. After opening the project on the VS Code editor, we see the following project structure. There are mainly 4 things to know about an Angular application structure. First, the essential package JSON file. This is the most important file in an Angular application. It contains mainly the application identity, its name and version, and all packages and dependencies it needs to make the application work. This file, as well as the package lock.json file, holds a lot of other secrets you will find in detail in the provided article and the description area of this video. If you are interested in a video for more details about these files, let me know in the comments section. Second, the node module folder. This folder is generated when we install the app. It contains all the downloaded dependencies and third-party libraries the package JSON specified. We don't modify dependencies here. It's the package JSON, the guy who has the rights to do so. Delete and change dependencies, and each time he does, the module is automatically updated. Third, the source folder. It's the heart of the project. It's the source code of the project that contains the app functionalities, pages, components, and everything you want. The folder is composed of the app folder, which contains the code of the app, the assets public folder, which contains the app resources such as images, logos, videos, etc. The environment folder for config per environment, for example, create conf dev environment, conf production environment, or testing build environment. Index.html, the HTML app single page. Main.ts is the main entry point to launch the project. Polyfills file, its job is to add additional libs that are not supported natively in the browser, for example the zone.js Angular library. We will learn more about Angular Zone in the future. And finally, the style.css that contains mainly your app's global style. Fourth, config files. Angular.js file. It contains the main configuration of the project, resources, compilation information, and the project entry point. these config files the default conf for TypeScript in your project. For example, if you want to enable TS strict mode, you will need to do it in this file. Karma conf file, the file that contains your app testing environment configuration, information such as the port you want to use for running tests, the browser on which you want to run tests, activating and restarting tests on file change, and things like that. Alright, now that you learned about the structure of an Angular project, there is an important question you may already have. What happens between the moment you launch your project and the app opening on the browser? Well, that will be our next episode story. Our episode ends here. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in the next episode of the Angular Stories. Till then, keep learning and stay tuned. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the Web Stories channel, hit like and enable notifications to get notified whenever an episode is out.